above guide our weary quest. We are on the Great Alma, where the shadows creep, fishing all night, lost in thoughts we keep. The heartstrings tug like a faded old song. In the depths of the silence, we somehow belong. With lines in the water, we wait for the bite, hoping for answers.
Yo.
What's up, Candyman?
What's up?
Oh, you know.
Oh, it's a little wet out here.
Slightly.
Oh, God.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Calm down.
Help me. Look at it. I got the same bed as I did last time. That's sweet.
Nice.
Okay, let's go grab the rest of the shiz.
Rest of this shiz.
And then let's get to fishing. You got flip-flops on, dude? Are you comfortable?
No, I'm freezing, dude.
You're fine.
I literally might have to climb into my sleeping bag for an hour to warm up.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn.
It was coming down pretty hard for a little while.
Yeah, I know. I was driving in it.
A lot harder than me when I wake up in the morning.
Yeah. It is wet out here today.
Man, it's great. I mean, nobody else is coming.
I know. Woo! Guys, Casey's been fishing in the rain with the heavy downpour for hours, so he's actually gonna crawl into his sleeping bag. And I can't show you all that because he's gonna get naked. That's not appropriate for YouTube.
Yeah.
I'll show you some of it. We'll blur it out.
What if we blur it out?
We'll put a black bar on it. Guys, if you become a trucker, you get a little baby here.
Yeah, it's
That's
a
what
baby
happens.
bump.
You get that CDL, you get a little baby bump.
No, it's called the, it's called the first year 50, dude.
Yeah,
I put on 50, man.
That's sweet.
Not talking about my age, I'm talking about my weight.
Nice. I like it. It's attractive on men, though. You look like a gorilla.
Thanks. Hey, look. What kind of
The
shirt
Williams
is this?
Strength.
It's gonna fit great. I can already tell.
Yeah, it's a big shirt, dude. It won't fit Tolbers, but it'll fit you.
I am a lot fatter than Tolbers, dude.
You're more sexier, though, I would say.
Oh my god. What size is it?
I don't know. Just put it on.
Dude, this is not gonna fit.
Put it on. You can have it, bro.
Really?
30 years strong. Williams Strength. Yeah. It's going to inspire you to lift weights.
Dude, I already feel like I have lift weights just putting it on.
Dude, black is a slimming color. You know that,
Yeah.
right? You look way slimmer now.
See how much different I look now?
It's straight down. You look like you have abs, bro.
Yeah.
It looks good.
Thanks, Joel Candy.
No problem camping with Casey. Okay, guys, let's go crush some fish. We're going to catch a lot of fish today, and we're going to get rained on. That's the name of the game. Let's do it.
This here
Yeah.
doesn't care if it goes into your thumb.
Okay.
So it goes on your hook.
You sound like a man that has experienced getting that stuck in you.
So if you're not paying attention, this
Yep.
will go right into your fingers.
Oh my God.
And it hurts coming out.
Come back with me. I'm going to try to remember something. Yeah, no. Okay.
something?
Oh, I got him. I got him. Joel. Oh, he let off.
What?
I missed him.
What?
I had him.
Come on.
That one's really acting like it's got a fish on it.
This one is?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
Look at that, Joel Candy. Got yourself a little sauger there.
Nice.
Ow! What are you, Joel? Hey, Joel, do you like fish sticks?
No.
Just say yes.
I'm not gonna say yes. I can't put that on YouTube.
You can't say
I mean, you might be able to.
Joel, you might not be able to put this on YouTube either.
You can put some of that on YouTube.
Oh, oh my God. Oh, you still got the minnow!
Hey! Great job.
Now you gotta kiss him for good luck. Look at those teeth.
Oh, God. Let me give him a kiss on the head. Ugh.
That was a... Oh, we got a bleeder.
Oh, I can't show that on YouTube.
What?
Blur your finger
Blur it out.
Blur it out, dude. Good job. Yay, we're catching the tiniest fish ever. I love it. I'm on the board, Ed. We're on the board.
All right.
I don't think Casey is. I don't
No, I'm
believe
not.
he's not.
I'm not since you've been here.
Yeah.
It's a zebra,
catch.
a zebra mussel.
Not a zebra mussel?
Yeah, it's an invasive species.
Get rid of it. Eat it. Ugh.
What? Who did what?
What happened? Did they see you eat that?
Yeah, they called me children. I've been called worse.
Out on the water where the moonlight glows, casting our dreams in the undertow flows. The silence whispers secrets of times gone by. With every ripple I hear the night sigh. Stars above guide our weary quest. We are on the...
Guys, I had a little accident with my Mavic 2 Pro. I crashed it somewhere into the forest. We're gonna try to go retrieve it. I don't know where the hell it crashed though. Hopefully it's not in a tree. Guys, I couldn't find it, but I looked at the map and it's like really close to us. So Casey, camping with Casey is gonna help me look for my drone.
I'm looking.
Let me see.
I'm looking for wood ticks.
I'm gonna have ticks all over me, dude. Come on.
Wait, what's going on? I gotta get in the water.
A little bit, just jump.
Dude, this is how I get hurt. I'm too old for this.
Just step down. You got. It's got to be by this sign somewhere. Guys, if I find my drone, I'm gonna be really happy. But I crashed at a high rate of speed.
Dude, there's an animal hole over here.
I know. There's another one. It's not. Oh, I got it. Got it.
Got it?
Oh yeah. Yeah, the battery flew out of it.
And the battery flew out of it?
Yep.
Dang, you crashed that thing good, dude.
Yeah, I think it's still fine. The important thing is I got the SD card. Guys, I found it.
You found it.
I found it, yes.
Found it.
We're good, okay. Yeah, it crashed so hard the battery came out of it, guys. The battery still works, everything still works, we're good, but when you're flying a drone, always maintain VLOS. Maintain visual line of sight. And I was not doing that.
I thought you
And now you have poison ivy on your bunghole.
or my ball sack.
My shoes are soaked, Casey.
Dude, I don't even have shoes.
Bruh. Come on, man.
I can't make it. Joel, I'm pushing 50. Little water in your shoes there?
Start a whole new trend in YouTube fishing.
Selfie stick fishing.
Right.
Watch it goes viral.
Alright, try that.
Okay, sweet. Thank you.
Just part it around underneath the gap.
Part it around.
Yeah.
Just like this?
Yeah.
Okay. Light it up.
What does that say?
Constantine. John Constantine, asshole.
It's going. Whoa, that's really going.
Now we got it.
That'll work.
Nice.
See you later.
Guys, we're gonna be making American wagyu beef. That is a Himitsu steak. Which one's that?
I don't know what that
Is that the Brazilian cut?
That's not the this one. Picacha.
And that is the Pincacha Brazilian cut. And that will be our dinner for tonight. American wagyu beef. A little bit of salt. We're gonna keep it real simple, guys. A little bit of pepper. And a little bit of onion powder. Oh, I can smell the onion powder.
On the hot side. A little extra heat with the grease.
We'll bring you a wagyu steak. Ooh, look at that bugger. Beautiful. That smells good? Cheese bugger. Good night, Casey.
Night night.
You ain't going to sleep.
I'm taking a nap, dude.
Casey's gonna go take a little
I
nap.
have to.
No, you don't.
I'm taking a nap or a crap. Maybe both.
Good night, Casey.
Good night.
He's all fished on.
7 o'clock.
He didn't catch nothing. He's just taking an hour nap.
Alright. So the steaks are done. Meat.
It's what's for dinner. Guys, fresh steaks off the charcoal grill. Look at that. Smells amazing. It doesn't get better than that. Good job, Ed. That looks perfect. Perfectly cooked. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Awesome. Look at that, guys. Beautiful, perfectly cooked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Wow.
Yep. That's worth it.
It's like buttery. Yeah. That's insane. You gentlemen want to try some steak? You want to try some wagyu?
Yes, please.
Okay. Oh, thank you, sir. Double decker. Oh. Hot.
They got cooked, right?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
It's hot. Yeah, that's good. Nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, guys. Tortilla burger with that charcoal and that cheddar with bacon in it. Mm-mm. Ed the Butcher knows how to butcher and cook. He should be called Ed the Chef, Ed the Cook. Are you sleeping, Casey? You can see him in there. He's napping. He ain't sleeping. Okay, I turned on all the disco lights.
All right.
So it's like a disco party inside there. Should we go do a disco dance?
We might have to go do a disco dance.
Okay.
You guys are just covering for whatever you're actually doing.
What the f is going on in here? No wakey ways, there's aliens. Is that Uranus or Mars?
Is that number 3?
Number
4? 5? 5 catfishes?
I think so, but the other ones they're a little small. This is the
Yeah,
best one.
that's a monster.
Yeah, he's the best one so far.
Oh my god.
Oh, careful, careful.
I gotta back up just to see it. Wow, that's
Hopefully you
awesome.
Get more like this.
Yeah. Look at the head on that thing. Good job, Kyle. That's awesome. Good job, Kyle. Selfie stick. That's what we're talking about, guys. Let me turn my light off. We're catching fish with the selfie stick. That's how we do it. That's how we do it on YouTube. That's awesome. Yeah. Where do you got the net? This one?
Better let Kyle do it.
Kyle? Here you go.
There. Keep pulling them out of there. Bring them to me. There.
Nice.
There you are.
And that's why we listen to Kyle.
Good job, Kyle.
Hey, you do something right once in a while.
Worm?
Oh, worm. Oh.
Gotta
Look at the mouth on that thing.
Get it back in the water.
Okay. What is it gonna be, Ed? What is it gonna be? We got a net or something?
Yeah. Just playing with Chris is gonna run down and grab that bigger net.
Okay.
Did I take up the dragon? Yeah. Now I want you to keep him away from that pole. Here, get rid of him.
Come on, Kyle. Where's the big net? Guys, we got a big sturgeon on the line. We're trying to find a big net. That one?
Hey, come on. I need that net.
We're looking on that other side.
The other side? What is it, a big sturgeon?
Yeah.
Yep.
Chris, will you look on and see if you can find that bigger net?
Dang. Got it? What? You broke it?
Found the net anyway, boys.
Well.
Sturgeon.
Yeah.
Bent the hook.
Bent it?
Yeah, but I gave you the hook to get it on there with.
The sturgeon bent the hook?
Then we caught this sweet one. And then this tighter. What is with you and your long ass tails on there?
I didn't have that long.
Yeah, something
Hey, you're awake? Holy shit!
What
Guys,
in the hell?
camping with Casey is not dead.
Where's my pole?
I'm sorry, I had a problem.
You are the problem.
A white bass broke
When I
it.
woke up, I thought I was an astronaut. Because there was outer space.
Oh, the lights? I thought you
Stop
would...
shining that in
Sorry.
my eyes.
I thought you would like the disco lights. Jesus! My light's brighter than that, bro.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Shine it on the ground. Oh, look, who's this
Oh,
brighter?
you have a
Oh,
telescopic
who's
light.
this brighter?
Nice.
Thanks, man.
Very nice.
No problem.
Follow
me. Right.
It only took the biggest net.
I really am. This is why I get scared.
Bye-bye. Straight bass? Look at the bass. Great job. Grab it. It's so pretty. Beautiful. Bye-bye. Now you're catching stuff. Chris got one? Same thing?
Wait,
Striped bass?
I think it's a sheepshead.
It's a sheepshead? Sweet.
Good thing I charged by the fish.
Got him. Bang.
Did you have the camera in the water?
Yes, I did. Yep.
Oh, that's gonna be a good one.
Come on, Ed. I believe in you. We believe in you, Ed. We got her locked in now. We got her locked in now, baby.
I don't need to do anything now because Casey's got his water walking moccasins.
He's got his water moccasins and he's got that big net.
The net?
Can you grab the big net, Casey?
Huh?
Somebody.
Grab the net. Oh, sheepshead.
Sheepshead?
He said grab the big net.
Get the big net. Beautiful. Great job, Ed.
Thanks.
I said I believed in you. That's a sheep's head?
Yeah.
Buffalo head?
You didn't kick my pliers in the lake yet, did you?
What?
Not yet, but it's
What?
gonna happen. That's crazy. Nice.
Well, it caught one. Send it again.
You looking for your pliers? I have them right here.
Why would you come this way? Who does that? I'll show you how to catch it.
Another sheep's head. Great job, Ed.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Goodbye, fellow traveler.
Oh, I missed another one. Oh, it's a good sauger.
Sauger?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's a Walter. It's a sauger.
Sauger.
There's your.
I see the fish and then I see your nasty nails in there.
This looks like a Dr. Seuss video.
Dr. Seuss video?
Yeah, dude, like one fish, two fish.
Yeah.
Dude. Don't bend my hook.
That one.
Dude, who does that? I'm never asking for help from you ever again.
Nice.
Oh my god, dude.
I didn't do that.
Bro, take it out of this thing. Jesus.
Very nice.
I just don't get it.
Great job.
I just don't get it.
It smells like cotton candy, dude.
It's delicious. It's sour fucking fab.
Sour fab.
Sour fucking fab.
Sour fab.
You just won't listen to the players idea. Whatever.
One in the thumb, don't be dumb. Watch out for that hook.
Don't worry. Kyle's
a
still,
trained
he's still
medic.
awake. Kyle's still up.
Kyle's still
He can
awake.
get
He
it out.
can get it out of your eyeball.
I'll let it go around the pole.
Get away from the pole.
Ready, Ru? Should I get him out? Whatever makes you happy.
Cool.
You got
want that
Okay,
one
let's
too?
get a thumbnail.
And put that on there.
Lost it?
No,
Was that another sturgeon?
that was something.
Something big?
Snake out there?
How can you not?
That's no reason to go get fired up than that.
I'm sorry.
That was a premature.
It was a snake? Well guys, we had a pretty successful day. We caught some fish,
A lot of fish.
a lot of fish, and some fish got off, but that's okay.
A lot of fish.
A lot of fish got off. You ready to do some sleeping now, buddy?
I'm ready to do some sleeping.
Yeah. Guys, I think we're gonna go into the bunkhouse and get a little sleep. You ready for some sleep, Mr. Ed?
Probably.
Yeah,
Dude, you're gonna have to take that thing out so I can charge my phone.
I will.
I tried to tell you to bring a thing.
Casey, good night. I'm all tucked in.
Good night, Mr. Candyman.
Good night camping with Casey.
Good night, Joel Candy.
Good night, Ed.
Good night, Joe.
You didn't say.
Good night, Candyman.
You didn't call him by his street name.
My
Good night,
street.
Candyman.
Good night. Good night, Ed the Butcher.
There you go. Thank
Guys, at home, good night. We're gonna get some sleep, and we'll see you in the morning. Here you go, Ed.
Thanks, Joel.
Yep, piping hot cup of coffee. Enjoy.
Thanks, sir.
Good morning, guys. A nice hot cup of coffee to start my day. And it is a very, very foggy morning on the Great Alma Fishing Float. But that's okay. We don't need to see the fish. We know that they're out there. Casey knows that they're out there.
Casey. Casey.
Casey?
That's Joel's.
What? I'm gonna need a net.
That's a great net guy. Now remember, don't reel the dang weight all the way up to the tip. Yeah, well.
Nice.
Nice, guys. Smallmouth bass. Let's take a look at them.
Yeah. They don't have a chair key for us.
Nothing like a hot cup of coffee and some smallmouth bass in the morning, guys.
Just
That's
like
what
that.
I am talking about. Oh, yeah.
Just your size, Joel.
Just my size. Oh, yeah.
You want that?
If you're not keeping it up, take it.
Yeah, I'll give it to you.
Thank you.
Turtle?
Yeah. That's all I had to do is have a catch.
What up, Taylor? You want to help me get this turtle?
No, don't.
What?
Grab.
I want you to get down there with the pliers and grab my hook.
Grab it out of there?
No,
Have Casey do it.
Get hurt.
Yeah. You got it in the foot?
Yep. That's the back. There, Casey.
See it?
Well, I don't want to get by his goddamn head, dude.
There you go.
I like that.
Maverick barrel though.
Good job, Casey.
There you go.
Good job. How is it, Ed?
Life's better with charcoal.
Words to live by. Life is better with charcoal. Oh man. That's good, Ed. Well guys, fun times to be had on the Great Alma Fishing Float. But I think it's time for me to go home and take a shower and wash off this fish smell and this Ed smell. And we'll catch you guys on what? What? We'll catch you guys on the next
hard sleeper.
We'll catch you guys on the next candy camping episode. Peace out.
Stay down! Here comes the train! That is insane, Joel Candy! That's nuts, Joel! Can you feel the power
Yes!
of the train?